So, what's your full name, ma'am?
My full name is Sabiha Ali Samantha.
Okay. How can I address you?
You can address me by my last name, Samantha.
Okay. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay. So, where are you from?
I'm from Sylhet. I was born and brought up here.
Okay. So, what's the weather like in your hometown?
Now, the current weather is sunny. The temperature is almost 37 degrees Celsius, and it's very uncomfortable to go outside now.
Okay. What do you usually do when the weather is very hot?
Well, I don't like hot weather. I like to I don't like to go outside when the weather is hot. Most of the time, I like to stay at my home and like to study in my home alone.
Okay. Thank you so much. That's your part one. And now let's move to the part two. And in this part of this test, I'm going to give you a cue card and you will have to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay? And before you start speaking, you will have 1 minute for notes making. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Here's your paper and pen. Okay. And here's your topic. And your time starts now. Time's up. Remember, you have to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay? Please start your speaking.
Well, a piece of equipment in my home that is very important to me is my laptop. Well, I'm preparing myself to go abroad for my master's program, so I have to take IELTS preparation. That's why I use laptop because I found there some videos about IELTS preparation, some videos who motivate me, influence me to know about new things, and four modules, IELTS four modules, which is hard to me, and I like to know, I like to learn something from social media platform and from YouTube or other platforms. And it's from abroad. It's gifted by my aunts, and I use it for my study purpose. On the other hand, I'm a freelancer, so I have to work with a laptop or electronic device like that, which is very beneficial for me. And I use it sometimes for my for communicate with my friends, for example, video call. And sometimes I use it for my study purpose, like when I don't have to go outside where I found some problem. I like to stay home and like to communicate with my teacher by it, like Google Meet. I class I attend classes here, and I watch some videos here for entertainment sometime on social media platform.
Thank you so much. Okay, can I get the next? So let's move to part three. And in this part of this test, I'm gonna ask you a few more questions about the previous topic. Okay? So, what are the most popular electronic devices in your country at the moment?
In current time, as far as I'm concerned, that a device is very, you know, very trending in my country is mobile phone. Because in mobile phone, you can watch videos on social media platform. You can use calendar, calculator, Google Map, Google Meet, and other things. What we don't have to carry. For example, if we go outside or for travel, or we like to read a book, we don't have to carry a book. In our mobile phone have ebook, we can read something from here.
Okay. Which sort of devices do you think will become popular in the future?
In future, maybe tablet or smart devices, electronic devices will be famous in my country in the future because people are actually very addicted and affected by electronic devices in my country.
Okay. So, do you think electronic devices make life easier or more difficult?
I found it's very easier because as I say that I can read book, I can use calculator, I can see a calendar, I can communicate with my friends and family by video call, and I would be know about something which is going through on earth on world international news from social media platform like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram.
Okay. So do you think all information on the internet is true?
No, I don't think so. There is something fake because in social media platform, whatever we see, everything is not true. We don't have to believe everything. We have to find out is this true or is this not true or false, and we have to be careful about information, whatever we see on social media platform.
Okay. Thank you so much. That's the end of your test.